Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new level and choosing Editor 2. 2. This matters because grid and snap affect precision. Set grid to 1/2 or 1/4 for tight platforming, then adjust camera width so obstacles appear at the right pace. Once done, place a simple block path and playtest immediately to confirm gravity and speed feel correct. Make sure to save incremental copies as you go so you can revert when an experiment breaks the rhythm. You now construct core mechanics using triggers and object properties because they define interactivity. Add color and fade triggers to match music cues, and move triggers to animate platforms. Adjust delay in milliseconds for precise sync. Once done, layer objects with Z-order and group common parts, then lock groups to prevent accidental edits. Make sure to playtest repeatedly from checkpoints to confirm timing and find offset drift. Then tweak trigger lengths or object anchors to stabilize behavior. You finish by polishing visuals, optimizing performance, and testing difficulty. Bake background elements and reduce object count to keep FPS stable, then verify collisions and spikes across 60% and 100% speed playtests to ensure consistent challenge. Once satisfied, set checkpoints and final music sync. If something breaks, isolate the issue by disabling groups and re-enabling them one at a time, or revert to an incremental save. This helps you find the offending trigger or object without losing your whole build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.